Okay, welcome to this question here on the 2024 DCG exam, question A1. So we've got a perspective, of a lotto stand. Alright, the drawing on the right shows the plan and partially completed perspective drawn. The picture plane passes through corner A. Part A, complete the perspective drawn in the stand, determine and indicate the heights. Right, okay, we'll have a quick look at a solution. Right, so here we go here. We're going to join our points to our spectator, where to hit the picture plane down, perpendicular. Alright, the lines here that are like on an elevation go to VP1. The lines that are like this way going like on an end elevation are going to VP2. So we're going to start accumulating our marks. Right. So I'm going to take this point to VP2. Right. So I'm going to get my set square. I'm going to join it to VP2. I'm also going to do the same with this point here. So I'm going to join it to VP2. Now, this isn't an easy question to visualize, right? So I'm going to look at where the base of this is in plan. So I'm going to go backwards up. This, is the top surface in plan view up here. Now, so I'm going to take the opposite end of that. Now I'm going to join to S, right? Then I'm going to bring that down perpendicular to the picture plane. So I'm going to bring that down perpendicular to the picture plane. I'm going to heavy in this portion here. Now, then look at this line joining to the bottom corner. Alright, and this one here is done. Alright, now if we bring this back, so this one back to plan, we can see the line used. So we're going to get the opposite end of that. We're going to join to the spectator, where it hits the picture plane. We're going to bring that back to we're going to bring that back down perpendicular to the picture plane, and now we have this here. Now, then we can join that through, and then it's safe to assume that that's the end of the base. Alright, we're going to heavy this line in here, and this one up here. So we have the top of the stand done, we have that line on the stand done. Okay, we have this line here now on our stand. Alright, now we want to get the front of the stand, right? This is the front of the stand in plan view. This one here that passes through the picture plane. So I'm going to take my set square, go from S through the corner, and extend this time towards the picture plane. Now, I'm going to bring that down perpendicular. And I'm going to go from vanishing point 1, through this point here to touch that line that I brought down. Now, there's the left hand side of the stand. Then I join to VP2. The right hand side of the counter is there, so I'm going to go from VP1 through that to touch that there. Then I can join this here and heavy it in. Now I want to get the underside of it here, right? So I'm going to have to find where that is in plan, right? So that dashed line is this one here in the perspective. So this dashed line is that one under there. Remember, the diagram is the greatest help you have in the exam. So I'm going to take this, join to S, where it hits the picture plane. I'm going down perpendicular to the picture plane until I hit this line here. Now, I'm going to join them together. I join this to VP2, and then when they intersect, I'm going to join them together, heavy them in, heavy this one in as well. Sorry, that was a little off. Now, part B. Okay, determine and indicate the true height of the stand, right? Only a point on the picture plane is the true height. So we're going to bring a line down perpendicular to the picture plane from A, which is already done. We're going to take the top of the stand. We're going to extend the top of the stand onto that. This, okay, is the true height here, TH. Now, it says determine and indicate. So it's, don't forget to add in the dimension. So we're going to take it out and we're going to measure it in. Because if you forget to indicate it, you can lose marks. Okay. And it's 74. Right. Thank you guys.